So this was one of the question which was asked, and consider the following Python declaration of two lists like this. And the question was, which of the following statement result in A 1 2 3 4 5 6? So we are going to try each and every option. A dot append B. So if we are going to perform this method, the output would be A as it is, that is 1 comma 2 comma 3, and append method is going to do what? It is going to add the list B as a single unit, as an individual unit, as a single unit. So it would be like 4 5 6, that is list inside other list, nested list like this. But here it is not our desired output. Our desired output is like this, correct? So A is not the correct answer. If we talk about option B, that is update. So update is not a valid method for list. It is not valid method for list. Update can be used for Python sets. Update can be used for Python dictionaries, but not for Python list. That is why B is also incorrect here. And if I talk about option C, A dot insert B. So basically, whenever we use the insert method, right? So there are two arguments required, right? It required two arguments. It require two arguments. That is, one is index, that where we want to insert the item, and the second value is item, and this is the method insert. It's like that. Insert followed by parameters index and item. Index is going to tell that at what specific location we want to add it. So here this index is missing, right? So that is not going to be considerable, and we are going to treat option C also as a incorrect. But if we talk about option D, A dot extend, then this extend is going to add the element of this list B individually to A. So A is already having 1 2 3, and we are using extend. Extend means we want to extend this list. So whenever we extend, the new element from another list is going to be came individually like this. Thus option D is the correct answer, right? So that is the proper solution you need to know.